Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to restore theme back to the default on this device. So first, you can see that our icons theme is the another one. We just have the not regular, not the default shapes of our icon, and also the colors of the icons. So now, just to change that, we should go to the settings, and here tap to the display section. Now just go to the styles, and here we got just selected the my theme. That's the name of this theme. We got here another one, and here on the left side we got the Moto default theme of the icons. So now we'll just tap here to apply, and we can see the message that the theme is applied. And as can you see, we just change our icons theme to the default one. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.